So hello guys, in this video we will learn how to copy an Excel sheet from one Excel file to another Excel file without losing any of the formatting. This is the formatting of this file. Now I have, if I want to copy this to another file, typically, let's for example, I have this new file. So if I take Control A, copy and paste, so you can get some sort of uh, formatting like this one. But let's see if this is actually equal to, or if it is like this one. But if you see closely, uh, there are vertical lines here which are not present in our previous file from which we copied that. So obviously some of the formatting was copied to this file, but the overall file was not copied in the exact format. Now this is one of the methods which is not working well. So now we can use a separate method that will ensure that the file that gets copied to the next, that the sheet that gets copied to the next Excel file has all the formatting exactly same as the original file. So how do we do that is, we just right click here and we click move or copy. Now in here I have an option of creating a copy. I'll click that, and then uh, we opened a new file. So I think it was the new book or the book one. It was the book one. Okay, so if we shift it to book one now and click OK, so you know what happens, that the file has now been copied to this book one here. It was a new sheet. So previously it was copied like this. When I pressed the Control A and Control V, the Control A, Control C and Control V, so it was the result of that file, that copying pasting. And when I used the copy command of the sheet, this is the result I got. And I think this is now absolutely equal to the actual file that I copied. So yes, it's working quite fine, and it is actually exact replica of the previous file. So that is it guys, and that is how you can copy an Excel sheet from one file to another file without losing your formatting. So we'll see you now in the next videos. Stay tuned.